Question 1. Nose, legs, liver, lungs, and many other part of body are called part A. Major, B. Minor, C. Middle, D. None of these. Right option, A. Major. Question 2. The part of the body that control many more function in the body is called underscore. Options equals A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Lungs, D. Liver. Right option B. Brain. Question 3. A headache is not pain in. Options A. Kidney, B. Brain, C. Liver, D. Stomach. Right option B. Brain. Question 4. What is the weight of brain? Options A. 1.4 kilograms, B. 1,400 grams, C. 3 pounds, D. All of these. Right option D. All of these. Question 5. Newborn baby brain weight about? Options A. 300 grams, B. 400 grams, C. 300 grams, D. 500 grams. Right option B. 400 grams. Question 6. Definite shape as well as mass is called. Options A. Liquid, B. Solid, C. Gas, D. None of these. Right option B. Solid. Question 7. State of matter have definite mass and volume but no shape? Options A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas, D. Plasma. Right option B. Liquid. Question 8. State of matter having no shape and volume is called? Options A. Solid, B. Plasma, C. Gas, D. Liquid. Right option C. Gas. Question 9. Solid, liquid, gas. Mixed together, form? Options A. Gas, B. Solid, C. Liquid, D. Mixture. Right option D. Mixture, AD.
Question 10. How many status of matter? Options A. 02, B. 03, C. 04, D. 05. इसका राइट जो ऑप्शन है वो है C. 04. Question 11. The stomach like a shaped bag. Options A. L shaped, B. V shaped, C. J shaped, D. None of these. इसका राइट जो ऑप्शन है वो है C. J shaped. Question 12. Headache is not pain in options A. Brain, B. Kidney, C. Liver, D. Lungs. इसका राइट जो ऑप्शन है वो है A. Brain. Question 13. What is the primary gas in Earth's atmosphere? Options A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. इसका राइट जो ऑप्शन है वो है B. Nitrogen. Question 14. What is the SI unit of force? Options A. Newton, B. Pascal, C. Watt, D. Joule. इसका राइट जो ऑप्शन है वो है A. Newton. Question 15. What is the source of energy for the sun? Options A. Solar energy, B. Nuclear fusion, D. Thermal energy, D. Geothermal energy. इसका राइट जो ऑप्शन है वो है B. Nuclear fusion. Question 16. What is the common name for sodium chloride? Options A. Sugar, B. Table salt, C. Baking soda, D. None of these. इसका राइट जो ऑप्शन है वो है B. Table salt. Thanks थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो दोस्तों को लाजमी शेयर कीजिएगा और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिएगा। थैंक्स।